As long as you got the right size wrench.
I think it is.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah, that's seen it. Which one am I going?
Yeah. So what size is it? 5/8?
I think it's 5/8. It seems like it's on.
Yeah.
Little
So what
play
you
in
wanna
there.
do-
See the AP play in there?
Is it really that loose?
No, the bolt is on loose. It's just a...
No, that's tight.
Which way you gotta go?
It's got to go this way, towards me,
Okay.
like that.
Get it looser?
That's
Oh, I
loose.
thought there was a metal thing there. Okay, got it.
No, she moves right along.
There it goes.
There you go. But it takes a little effort.
We got to do that exhaust flange too. Was that half or 9/16?
Don't know.
I reckon 9/16.
That piece of rubber, this is a piece of rubber there.
That's pretty good size. Might even be 5/8.
Who's got the 5/8? You got the
There's one on
11/16.
each
I
side.
got the 5/8.
Okay.
11.
Carry on. Carry on, Mr. Peter.
It comes all the way off, right?
Correct.
Then we're gonna have to yak it up too to get the
Yeah.
trans loose.
Yep. Gonna send somebody under there to do that.
I think it's getting tighter.
Is crusty.
Oh.
Should be.
There you go.
Does this piece come off?
What we got?
That's okay.
No, that's captured nut. So there's 2 bolts. You got one. There's another one right below it.
You want to try? Sure.
Get that one off
So it's underneath.
down there. Here, let me disconnect the battery just for fun. Not that it matters.
Oh
right now.
no, it's where's the fun in that?
You know,
don't
because
know.
of this class, I changed the oil on both my T-bars last week.
No kidding.
Myself. Haven't done that in 20 years.
I'm proud of Peter.
Wow.
Imagine
What,
that.
what,
That's
what type of
impressive.
T-birds?
The 62s.
Pair of 62.
62, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I didn't have to lift the car up. There's a washer on there, guys.
All right, go after the other one, Peter.
Where's the other one?
The other bolt.
There's
It's
another
on the
one?
bottom. Yeah, right down here. Right there. Yeah, the bottom one's gonna be harder because now it's got more weight on it too.
Pushing the car.
Feel it?
Yeah.
It's down there. It's right here. My finger's on it. See where my finger is?
No.
That
Yeah,
one. Watch my middle finger.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Oh, I'm rubbing the side.
Is it moving at all? Or?
Well, that was the only one that was closed. This one's like up against.
Are you complaining?
No,
Flipping off, Peter.
not on purpose. I should have said watch the birdie. Then you know.
You getting it, Peter?
Let's see. Yeah. I got it. Okay.
There we go.
Well, maybe.
Ooh, this is a group picture right here. Hold on. Whoa, I'm gonna fall down.
Watch that. Then it makes something like 145 horse, and it's got a moderate stroke. The engine that I found is a 262, which is a long stroke 6. And the 262 is a pretty good sized engine. And with a little bit of ministration, that 262 can make, how do I figure it out? 50 horse off of 260, about 210 horse, which is what the V8 would make.
What kind of modifications are you thinking for that?
Well, a little bit of head work, which is port relieving, and then that's disconnected. Wonderful. This is
Right.
off to the side. So we're going to relieve the ports on it a little bit.
That side is done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they typically quite
Peter's like, damn it!
Jeez.
Oh, we
They even
gotta
switched guys.
This comes off too.
get- Where did the jack go?
It's over there.
Well, let's disconnect everything from
The top side.
the truck is sandblast.
No, other way.
I,
Oh, there's. Oh, they're supposed to be. Oh no, they're flat. Okay. See if we'll get them to come out. There you
Yeah,
go.
this, huh?
There you go. You're good right now. Oh, it's spinning. There's a hex on top. Here, let me see that real quick. Well, no, I want to see if
Another
it's.
wrench.
I'm trying to see what size it is. Yeah, we need a 5/8 down here too.
What color is it?
What's the sound of purple taste like?
This isn't spinning. This is fine.
Yeah,
no.
it's going to though. 5/8 me. Thank you. There you go.
So who here is taking an engine out besides Mr. Ross?
I have.
Oh, we got a winner down here. He has.
Winner, chicken dinner?
I mean, it was a really rusty car, and so it was more like I was taking the rust off of the engine.
Taking a sawzall and cutting the engine out.
He removed everything, not just the engine.
What type of car was it?
And I did it with zero skill. What do you think of those ratchet
Wrenches?
spanners? You
They're
know the
great.
ones-
Yeah, I
Yeah.
carry a set in my truck. I got 2 sets
Yeah.
in my shop.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So why not use them here?
because we're doing it with common tools, like
Right.
like every man would have.
Right. Okay.
But
I just thought maybe they were like, oh no, pieces of shit they always
no,
break.
they're great. No, I've only broken a handful in like 20 years.
Yeah. Wow.
But when we took like the trim off this car, I went and grabbed my cordless ratchets. I said, "You guys just thrash away." So everybody's
Yeah.
out there going, just having a blast. Yeah, we're just doing it every man,
Yeah.
you know.
Which is good.
Yeah, because all that does is it just speeds you up. That's all it does.
How long have you lived out here?
But we're right there. We're close.
Well, that's pretty. You've been out here a while.
I have friends who've already moved
All right.
You saw it. It was that garage. That one, like the one, right?
Yes, sir.
Before you get too rambunctious with your removal of things,
Yes, sir.
good for you. Keep in mind that we disconnected the motor mounts,
Yes, sir.
so that rear end or the tail shaft of the engine's gonna wanna, or the transmission's gonna wanna fall.
Okay.
Yeah. No, we're okay.
So far.
We're gonna be all right. That's why we're gonna leave the cross member in, because it'll slide right out. Hey, we gotta get this.
Yep.
Get the speedo cable.
Is that a
That
hex?
should be the 7/16 right here. I think that's a 7/16.
Oh, so this part here, right?
Yeah, undo that and
Ah,
it'll
got
come right out. Or it should come right out, but you know how this goes. Trying to get you late. Not much room. Once you pop it, it'll be fine.
Dated of women driving 911s. Growing up, my dad drove 911s. 40 young guys drove 911s.
So look at that.
Release.
There's definitely got water got in the trans.
Yeah,
It's like strawberry milkshake, like we were saying.
Oh no.
There it is. Okay, that's out. We'll just lay that in there. All right. I think we're ready. Let's slide out of here. You wanna grab the tools? Man, you guys went to town while we were down there on the floor.
I have a neighbor back at the beach, and
Really?
she was doing